Payment failed? Here's a quick 60-second guide to resolve online game payment issues. Read the on-screen error message and error code, then take a screenshot. Verify your payment method. Card number, expiry, CVV, and billing address match. Check your bank for sufficient funds, daily limits, or security holds on the card. Common errors to note: payment declined, pending transaction, or invalid billing information. If using digital wallets or third-party platforms, confirm they're linked and authorized. Open the game's purchase history and locate the failed transaction and its transaction ID. Try resubmitting the payment or switch to another method like a different card or wallet. Clear the app cache, update the game, or reinstall to fix interface and payment glitches. Troubleshooting checklist: verify details, retry payment, check bank, capture screenshots, note time. If the issue persists, contact support with screenshots, transaction ID, and your device details. Visit the game's support or FAQs for step-by-step help, refund requests, and live chat.